Okay, got it how much closer to coming out. Got the radiator, got the mounts, motor mounts. Need to get the exhaust still. Got the carburetor undone. Got all the mounts in the back here. So she's not that far from coming out now. So yeah, we got the drive line all dropped down. Just gotta get a pry bar pry off the back of the transmission. I guess I got some linkage under there. It's getting close, but I'm done for today, so I'll get back out tomorrow or whenever. Well, you know, this is never a good sign when you pull the dipstick out. It looks like that. Yeah, not a good deal. Let's see what it looks like when it comes out, huh? Alright, this is gonna be ugly, I can tell. There's pure water. It's nice and rusty too. Well now, I don't know if we could have got any more water in there. I've never seen one that full before. How about you? I think that's got to be the winner of the most water ever. Okay, so this puts a new meaning to oil sludge, huh? Yeah, that's a new meaning. Not good. Parts and pieces. Alright, here's the end of day 2. Got everything, I think, pretty much, except for the exhaust bolts, which I'm going to have to heat up with the torch to get those to go. But all this other stuff they had bolted on here for the winch and everything, got it all off. Down to just the body now. Put a couple braces in here, because I took out what they had for bracing there off. So I don't want those front pillars to bend in, so got it braced up there. I guess in the next couple days I'll get that steering column tore out of there, and those pedals. I think I pretty much got it unbolted. I think there's one bolt hanging on it, holding the body on right now. And I'll get that body, or I shouldn't say body really, but what's left of the cab and everything off, so I can get that engine out and find a new owner for it. Alrighty. Alright, so got this thing ready to go out, find a new home. Just need to pull it and send it down the road. She's ready to go. I was thinking about maybe some obscure rat rod frame out of this, but I don't know if you can tell. Right here it's bent. I'll move the torch and get a shot at it later, but it's bent from about here to here. Get on the other side, you can tell, I'm gonna see where it's bowed out there a little bit. Really a bummer, because I was thinking long Godly rat rod frame. Here's the cab. Looks like something I should send to Rat Rod Bob. Let him build it, but parts and pieces for somebody. I don't know. Me or next guy, whoever. These things can be scrapped out. Here you can tell right here how bent that is. I don't know if it's usable or not, if that's bent too much or not. I'll have to check it out. So, I think this is even pretty rough for me, even though it's rusty iron, but it was a Studebaker. So, posted it, said come and get it, so I did. Hey cat, what are you doing? So here it is. I don't think it gets much rougher than this, and you still keep it. I'm not sure. Curious to see how many bolt holes are in it, though. Alright, cat. Anyway, here's a quick walk around it. I don't know if it's worthy of taking or not, but it's rusty, it's iron. Pretty shot up, pretty full of holes. I don't know if this qualifies as yard art or not. Almost wish I had the money. I'd send it to old Jonathan W. over there in North Carolina. He seems to be able to do something with anything. So anyway, here it is. Stick it in the yard and see if it lasts.